What's up, dads? Custody attorney Bobby Buchanan here. I fight for fathers in the Chicago area in difficult custody situations. JointCustodyAdvocates.com is the website. I want to talk to you today about what to do if the mother of your children starts withholding your children as soon as you file a custody case. As soon as you give her that paperwork, or technically somebody else gives her that paperwork because that's how it has to work. As soon as she gets that paperwork, she starts playing games with the kids, not showing up to the regular exchange location, not returning your phone calls, not returning your text messages. So what do? And let's assume here that your first court date is about 2 months away. So what are you going to do? Are you going to go 2 months without seeing your kids? I wouldn't. And that's not fair to you. It's not fair to the kids. And really, when it comes to custody court, that's all that matters. What is fair? What is in the best interest of the children? So here's what I would recommend or advise a client to do. And of course, this is just general information at this point. I can't give advice through the computer screen because I don't know your specific situation. But what I can tell you is that it's incredibly important to keep putting your requests in writing. And so you're texting her or you're emailing her, whatever is the regular way that you usually correspond, so that you continually make those requests to her so that you have something in writing when you do go to court. You can show the court that she has been ignoring you and that ignoring started right on the heels of you filing in court. And then the other thing that would be important to do would be to actually go into court on an emergency basis immediately, as soon as it's evident that she's playing games, and ask the court to maintain the status quo, as it's called. Basically, issue an order that says that whatever the schedule was before, that's what it's going to continue to be while the case is pending, while the case is going on. Going in on an emergency motion like this, though, is a very technical thing. And so I wouldn't want anybody to just type out or scribble down on a piece of paper a motion and think that it's going to get the job done. It might and it might not, but it does have to be done carefully so that you are presenting to the court the best narrative possible. Because every single court date, every single time you're in front of the judge, from the first to the last, is your opportunity to persuade the judge and help the judge understand what is the truth of the matter. So when you go in on this very first occasion, putting your words together very carefully is extremely important. But it is something that I would strongly consider if, as soon as you file for custody, your kids are being withheld from you. If this makes sense to you, or if you think you have another approach, or your situation is like this or not like this, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to continue this discussion. You can also hit the messenger button below if you want to reach directly out to my firm to get some one-on-one attention about your situation. I'll talk to you soon.